Hi, I'm Tom from Finding Country. Today we're in Stanton on the Wolds, and this is Glebe Farm. Glebe Farm is a stunning and extremely unique Nottinghamshire home. The property has been subject to a complete renovation by the current owners, and what stands here today is a really unique and characterful family home. And in my view, the Nottinghamshire market has not seen a house like this for quite some time. The property stands in a truly stunning plot with extreme privacy. It is accessed via a sweeping gravel driveway with 2 entrances and electric gates. This property has bags of character and is beautifully presented. There's lots to show you, so let's get inside and take a look around. So you enter the property by this lovely entrance hallway. It's extremely practical. You've got a boot room, you've got a downstairs loo, you've got an area for washing the dogs, but we're then straight into the heart of the home, which is this absolutely stunning living kitchen. So the centerpiece to any country home is its kitchen, and what a kitchen we have here. It's completely bespoke. It's very much the heart of the home. It's bathed in light with a triple aspect, and there are really nice, well-defined sitting, dining and kitchen areas. Within the kitchen we've got bespoke hand-painted units, we've got the range cooker, integrated appliances and space for an American fridge freezer. And the kitchen flows nicely into what is definitely the showpiece of this home, this absolutely stunning formal living space. There really is so much to say about this space and so many beautiful features to discuss. You've got a full double height ceiling, beautiful glazing both internally and externally. There's a beautiful feature fireplace housing a log burning stove. I just really love the way that traditional and modern design have been blended beautifully together in this space. One of the features that I love so much about this house is the beautiful wide plank wooden flooring. There is underfloor heating to both ground floor and first floor levels. And what you've got to remember is this house is under 10 years old, so it's going to be extremely efficient, very low maintenance, and it also has the benefit of air conditioning in places for those summer months. For such a large space, this remains an extremely cosy place to be. So you've got your sitting area at the end with the fireplace and log burning stove. You've got room for a formal dining table here. This is going to be a lovely family home to have your friends and guests over at Christmas. The reception space flows beautifully into this cosy snug, which is going to be lovely in the evenings. And then we've got a feature pocket door that gives access to a wing of ground floor bedroom accommodation. To this wing, we have 2 double bedrooms which share the use of a high-quality family bathroom. There's the first of the primary suites, which has extensive built-in storage and a stunning ensuite bathroom. And to complete the accommodation down here, we have a really practical laundry room. A contemporary oak and glass staircase rises to the first floor to a beautiful floating galleried landing, which provides views of your living space and a beautiful enclosed courtyard. To one side of the landing, there is one of the nicest home offices I've ever come across. It's got a feature internal window, providing elevated views of the stunning living space. There's also a further window overlooking the garden. This is going to be a perfect place for those with a need to work from home. To the other side of the landing, there's a further double bedroom, and then this, which in my eyes is going to be your principal bedroom suite. It's got a double aspect, it's got a dressing area, and a really well-appointed ensuite bathroom. Without doubt, one of the key features of Glebe Farm are its absolutely gorgeous gardens and grounds. Throughout the grounds are various extensive terrace areas. There's a beautiful timber-framed gazebo, so this house is going to be perfect for outdoor entertaining. You've got superb traditional style barns, which are perfect for storage. You've got a home gym, large level lawns, a feature ha-ha, and the crowning feature of Glebe Farm is this simply stunning natural swimming pond. The pool is complete with a raised decking area, a sunken seating area. Sitting adjacent, you've got a sauna, and the pool nestles next door to Stanton on the Wolds Village Church. Stanton on the Wolds has always been one of South Nottinghamshire's most desirable areas. In fact, it was voted in April this year by the Daily Telegraph as the most desirable Nottinghamshire village. It sits adjacent to the well-regarded village of Keyworth, which has a whole range of services and amenities for daily life. It's a stone's throw from West Bridgford, and for the keen golfer, Stanton on the Wolds golf course is just next door. Completing this property, we've got this absolutely delightful courtyard garden. Again, very private, ideal for entertaining, perfect place for the hot tub, and you've also got a vegetable garden here, perfect for those with green fingers. That completes the tour of Glebe Farm, and what a property this is. If you like what you see, then please contact us on the details that follow to arrange a viewing.